Hello everyone. This is a chapter 1 of 7th class, reading maps of different kinds. Okay. So here we will read the reading of maps of different kinds. Different kinds of map we will read here. We will see here. So in the previous video of 6th class I have told you how maps are used, how many types of maps are there. There are 3 types of maps. Those are physical, political and historical maps. Physical maps gives the physical features of the landform, like ocean, rivers, desert. Here you can see the pictures. See, this is a evergreen forest in Western Ghats of Karnataka, and see here it is a Kokana beach in Brazil of South America. We are not only a map not only gives the physical features of a particular city or a continent. We can locate each and every landform, their weather condition and types of trees present, type of people they live, what work they do, what type of weather condition is there. Everything we can learn with the help of a map. So this is in India, this is in South America, and this is the Sahara Desert which is in Africa. Okay, and this is a island covered continent with Iceland. Antarctica is a seventh continent which where only one species lives, that is penguin. It is Iceland. So it is completely present towards the south of the earth. So and also we have learned the distance, how to understand the distance with the help of a map by calculating 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometers and 50 kilometers, depending upon what we are drawing, for what purpose we are drawing a map. For that purpose we will understand the distance, and we will make a distance used in a particular form. Like if we are drawing a map from a village to a other district or other state, we will take more number of, like 1 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometers, in that way. Okay, and if we are drawing a map to a particular village only, then we will take, just say you are drawing a map which is covered only in a 2 to 3 kilometers, then we will take 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meters or 20 meters, in that way. Okay, and here they have given you a few questions how to locate the direction of a map. Where is north, south, east and west? So with the help of a political map they are saying, and this is the first question. Meher went to Bhopal from Hyderabad. She went to Bhopal from Hyderabad. So she went in which direction? See here. This is the Hyderabad and this is the Bhopal. So from here to here. So she is going towards the north. So I have written like here N. Sorry, it has become, I have written like this. It's not coming. I don't have a pen tab. Okay. Ashok went to Chennai from Lucknow. So where he went from? He went to Chennai from where? Lucknow. So here is the Lucknow, and where he went? To the Chennai, and Chennai will be here. See, here to here. So he is traveling from north to south. So in which direction he is going? He is going in a south direction. Yes. Regina went to Bhubaneswar from Mumbai. So where she went to? Bhubaneswar. From where? Mumbai. So here is the Mumbai and here is the Bhubaneswar. So she is going from west to east. This is the eastern side. And and he went to Jaipur from Kohima. See here, here is the Kohima, here is the Jaipur, from east to west. So in which direction he is going? Towards west direction. So we also use symbols. How to use the symbols for locating a particular thing present in a particular location or a landform, and what are the monuments or hospitals, church, temples, roads, railway station, government offices, where they are located. We can easily draw or trace with the help of a symbols. So symbols plays a major role in drawing a map. So here they have told you another symbols, that is like this point we are describing as a state capital, and this is for river we use a blue line, and this is for track line. So these are the symbols we used. And see, this is a political map. These are the capitals of our states. So they see here, they have taken scale 1 centimeter is equal to 200 kilometers, and north here it is the south opposite to it, and here it will be the east, here is it will be the west. And physical maps. So they have taken an example of a Nimpur village. How like heights of the heights of a particular landform can be calculated. So physical map I have told you, they will give the variety of landforms like mountains, plateaus and plains. Where we know where is mountain are present, plateaus and plains, but at what height they are present. Now we also want to know that. So for that purpose we measured height on the land. How we will measure? We will measure with the help of a sea level. Sea level will not be the same all the time. It will have a high tides and low tides. So scientists, what they will do, they will record high and low tides for a few days, and for having a particular number they will just take out its average, and with the help of that they will provide a mean sea level of a and it is almost same in all the countries. So slightly differences will be there depending upon the waves and winds are coming from in which direction. So there will be a slight difference, but most probably all will take the mean sea level for calculating the height of a particular landforms, mountains and plains. So that is called as mean sea level. Here see, this is they will start from here 0. This is the sea level 0, and Nimpur village is located at 50 meters height from sea level, and temple to 100 meters, and the top of the mountain is 150 meters. So how many meters above the sea level is the temple? It is 100 centimeters, sorry 100 meters. How many meters above the sea level is the top of the hill? That is 150 meters. Showing height on a map. So if we have to like this, if we have to draw, we will draw like this, okay, one above the other. So we can say, okay, this is a mountain is big and trees are smaller than the mountains, then below is the land, houses and everything. But if we want to just draw with the help of a color, how we will draw? So we will use a different colors for describing a particular height of a place. So we will use different colors. See here, this green wheel indicates the 0 to 50 meters. Adjacent to the sea is the our landform, which is 0 is the sea level, and from sea level to 50 meters is this green area, and from 51 to 100 meters will be this light brown area, and 101 to 150 meters will be this dark area, which is a highest height of of this place. Okay, here I have written, look at the map of Nimpur showing heights. What is the color given to the area adjacent to the sea? Adjacent to the sea is the green area, so G. What is the color given to the highest region in this map? So they have given a dark brown color. This is a light brown, like that. Uses of maps showing heights. So with the help of colors, we can also show a heights of a here Telangana. They have told you to how to measure the heights. So here see 0 to 20 meters they have taken a mean sea level. 21 to 30 meters this is the lowest landform. Then 31 to 40 is this brown color, and from 41 to 50 will be the highest landform or mountains. Highest height of the mountain is the highest. So this is the mean sea level definition. There are high tides and low tides on the sea level of the sea, and they never stand still. As a result of this phenomenon, the level of the sea keeps on either rising or falling. Which of these heights do we take as a sea level or 0 meter height? In order to solve this problem, the level of the sea is carefully measured at frequent intervals. So the sea level is carefully measured at frequent intervals, means at a time, from 1 hour, after 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, or 1 day, 2 days, like that. Our sea levels of a sea is calculated over a period. Scientists observe the height. So scientists will observe the high and low levels of the sea, and they will calculate the average level, which is called as the mean sea level, like that. And I have written this is answers. Okay, so this is the map of the Telangana, and here is the question. Look the figure and tell whether Nimpur would be submerged if sea water were flood up to 30 meters. So no, because Nimpur village is located where to 50 meters. So 30 meters may come from here, so it will not submerged. Okay, so no. And another question is, mark the direction of flow of the river. So it is flowing where? From here to here. So it is flowing from southward direction towards the west, southwest. So the height of the lowest land is between lowest land will be obviously, because 0 to 21 we have taken this sea level, or 21 to 30 meters will be the lowest land. There are two height points in this map. What are they? That is, height points are, this is the one high point, and this is the second high point of high points in the map. Okay, Telangana map. So one more question were there. Okay, here it is. Observe the Telangana map given and list out the area of district which are below 150 mean sea level. So mean sea level 150, below 150 will be, see, this is 150 to 300. So we have to find out below. So this is from starting from 150 to 300, 300 to 600, 600 to 1200. But only this dark green area is below 0 to 150. And this dark green area is present only this side. So only one district is present, that is Pranahita. Okay, this district will be the answer of the 7th question. Read the counter lines on the page 5 and comment on it. So these you have to learn and you have to comment. So joining of the line, that is actually of place with equal heights on the map. See these joining of the lines. You would have a same lining pass through the village. So they will be not in a regular line, they will be of like this. Okay, because we can't say that there will be a same height throughout. So we use a irregular pattern for drawing a landform map with when we use a color. That will be the answer for this 6th. And I have taken down an answer here also. Let me show you. So, how is sea level measured? Sea level, also referred to as mean sea level, is the level at which the ocean exists when averaged between high and low tides. It is calculated by measuring the level of the ocean over extended periods of time and under all type of weather condition. So, sea level is measured in that way. What are the uses of maps showing heights? Maps showing heights can prove to be very careful in various ways. It shows the surface elevation. It shows the display play in 3D computer graphics. Okay, elevation means height. They are widely used to understand the nature of the terrains. Give the actual displacement and location of mountain and valleys. Okay, this is I will cut it. This is not necessary. I have taken this from Google. Okay. Why are the level of all the seas equal in the world? The level of the all seas equal in the world, which is calculated as per the height from the sea level. In these seas in the world are connected to each other and also less the sea level in all over the world, which is taken to roughly the same in a fine manner. Okay. What difference do you find between the lifestyle of people living on high altitude and low latitude? So this is the answer. Difference between the lifestyle of a people living on high altitude and low altitude. 1. Most of the people that live at high altitude have very low risk of becoming overweight or obese, whereas the people living in low altitude have very much risk of becoming overweight and obese. This is just because of their eating habits. And one more is, many of the differences are small and only noticeable if you really pay attention. Some of them are major and potential life threatening. People may feel affected from higher altitude as low as 4,000 feet above sea level. Usually by 6,000 feet they will experience more fatigue and a greater potential for dehydration. How are maps helpful to people? Maps help to get the information on the world and could see well from where we are. It also shows where the road beyond horizon intersect and help us find our way. Maps have the location, latitudes and longitudes along with the direction of some place. Maps are important to solve many problems to find out the location much easily. Okay.